21 years this summer, and
Hmm.
you know, we're still here. We're still rocking. And I don't have to do bozo stuff, which I'm super proud of. I don't have to
Right.
go online and do all these crazy things I see a lot of my counterparts do, because the talent speaks for itself, Tommy.
Right. Yeah. As long as you have talent, people see through that. And anybody could be a
Yeah.
clown or act like a clown. It's like what are you doing after that, right? Do you have knowledge? Could you bring the hype, in a normal way, right?
Right. I mean, and we're from a different era, Tommy,
Right.
you and I. So it's just like
Yeah,
a
much
lot of this,
different.
a lot of these, this new antics. Like I didn't have a cell phone until college. That was
Right.
my first time I got a phone. And but you know, people they say attention's the new currency. I've had attention my whole life. Like I'm okay. I don't need that